Hello children, welcome to English class. Children, we are in block 14, finding the main idea, lesson number 4 children. Long and short forms. Keywords of the lesson are aren't, hasn't, wasn't, wouldn't, shouldn't, weren't. Okay children, in the last class also I have explained you, but today I will explain you the words, short form words and long forms again children. Okay? Yes children. Now here I have written some words. Was not, has not, is not. These are the long forms also you can say. Okay children. So now what happened? Was not. How we can write in short form children? We can write like this. Yes. Okay. So what is happening from this word to this word? What changes are there? This O, letter O, we are taking away children. We are removing letter O. In place of letter O, what we are putting? We are putting a mark like this. What we call this? Apostrophe. Okay children, you all know. So these type of words are called contractions children. Okay. So in your first class also you have learnt. Once again we will see. So has not, what happens now? Has not will O we will remove and we will write N closer and then we'll put apostrophe and then we will write T. Hasn't. Okay, hasn't means has not. This is the long form you can say. This is short form. Okay children, now is not. So now what I have to do? I have to write is and then O also I have to write for short form? No. I have to remove O and then what I have to put in place of O? I have to put the apostrophe. Okay, apostrophe I have to put and then I have to write like this. So is not, how we will pronounce it? Isn't. Okay, this is the long form, this is the short form. Okay children, till here understood? Children, here how to make sentences with short forms. Okay children, so let us see now. No, we aren't allowed to bring pets to school. Okay children, and then second sentence, no, children shouldn't watch TV for long time. I didn't go to the park today. So like this we have to write the sentence using these short forms. Okay children, so what we have learned in today's class children, that we have learned some words are written in short forms by removing letter O. In place of letter O will put a sign that is called apostrophe. Okay children, and these type of words are called contractions. Okay, so we have learned today contractions, long and short forms. Clear children, all of you? Yes children, all of you all open your workbook children, page number 33. Write the date children, S4, long and short forms. Okay children, match the long forms with their short forms. I will just read out this children, then we can do the matching. Okay, then we can do the matching. Was not, has not, were not, have not, could not, is not, did not, does not, would not, should not. So what you have to do? You have to match this with the short form. Okay, was not, wasn't, has not, hasn't, were not, weren't, have not, haven't, could not, couldn't, is not, isn't, did not, didn't, does not, doesn't, would not, wouldn't, should not, shouldn't. Okay children, here one side they have given the long forms. These long forms we have to match with the short forms. Yes children, everything is same children, only in place of O they have removed the letter O and they have put the apostrophe here. Okay children, okay, these are called contractions. Fine, now let us go to the second bit children. Write any 6 long and short forms they have given. Children, according to example they have given here, can plus not is equal to can't they have given. Okay, Here we have two n's children. So what we have to do here, we have to remove one n also. Can't spelling, if you see, can apostrophe t will come. Cann apostrophe t will not come. Okay. So can't, we have to remove letter n also. Only one n we have to write, children. Fine. And then yes, children, the next one, from here also, from top you can take the words and you can write, children. Okay. So according to example how they have given, we have to write was plus not is equal to wasn't. Okay, children. Has plus not is equal to hasn't. Fine. And then is plus not is equal to isn't. Actually, children, is plus not is equal to isn't, like this they have given. So what you have to do, the remaining 1 2 3 I am giving you as homework, children. You write the other 3 words. You can take the bit number 1 with the help of bit number 1. Here words are there, no, that you have to write here. Okay. Okay, children. Now bit number 3, children. Bit number 3 is write a sentence using any one short form. Okay, so I did not go to the park today. Okay, children, like this sentence you have to write neatly in your workbook. Children, this is nothing but contractions. You have already learnt in your first class also. So what we have to do, we have to remove the letter O, and then in place of letter O we will put apostrophe, and then we will write. These are the short forms. Okay, children, fine. Yes, children, all of you all take out your English reader, page number 95, children. Okay. So here bit number 2 is there. Look at the pictures. Write the things you can do and the things you can't. Here some pictures are given. So here down box is given, I can, I can't. So you have to write what things you can do, what things you can't do. Okay. If I can swim, if you can swim, you can write here. If you can't, I can't swim. I can slide, this is. I can watch television. Okay, children, like that you have to write the things. Look at the pictures and write down. This is homework. And if you turn the page, page number 96 also, I will show you what all homework is there. Yes, children, all of you all, what you have to do, take out your reader, children. Reader, page number 96, block 14, finding the main idea, practice questions. So this question number 3 is homework for you, children. You should do on your own. Everything is given here. Match the long forms to the short forms. Just now we did in our workbook, no? Same way you have to do. Okay, practice, children. Then 4th one, read the paragraph. Read this paragraph, see the picture, and then you have to write the answer. What is the main idea here? For this you have to write. After seeing this picture and story, what is the main idea you have to write here, and one example you have to write here. Okay, these 2 are homework for you.